Welcome to another Whiteboard Wednesday. We're going to talk about branding guide real quick. Short, sweet, but to the point. Why is a branding guide important? It sets the tone. It sets all of the different typography, do's, don'ts, everything you have with your new logo, color, branding, everything all in general, right? Creates this booklet for you. It's like a Bible for your brand. And it's super important. We use it on not only social media kits, to work with print, to work with products, all the things we do to build our team culture. Everything from, the stickers we use on our wall. We have huge wall stickers in here. We have positive boards put up with all of the different things we do. They're all branded. Everything you do is a branded thing, meaning social posts, images you use for your website in general, all the coloring, the coding. I mean, everything has to be consistent and approved, which is what the branding guide does. So your branding Bible is super important. We live by it with every brand we work with. If they don't have one, we offer to create one. Again, so, if you work with a third party, and you're doing print, even publications, magazines, ads, Facebook ads, everything has to follow the brand Bible. So we have fun with a lot of things we do here. Just give you an example: stickers and coffee holders, as you see every Wednesday, my coffee. But it goes even deeper. It's all the fun stuff. But what it also does is it kind of adheres to what's behind, the theory of why you use the colors, why you use your logo. It really helps you. In my mind, what it's done for us is helped us originate and push forward everything we think our company is about. And that also relates to your culture, relates to your audience, relates to the message that you're trying to create, the persona, everything. I mean, people don't realize how important a branding guide is. Those who are art directors out there, you're probably giggling because you know exactly what I'm saying, and people don't follow it a lot of times, and it just is non-consistent message. So I just wanted to leave you with that. It's a quick one today, but I really wanted to make sure and leave the impression of how important these things are. Don't miss these steps. When you're working with an agency and you're going through your rebranding or you're thinking of updating your website, if you don't have a brand guide, it's like you don't have a textbook when you're in school. You don't understand what it is and the things that are laid out by a professional to make you look good and to create something that'll be consistent for the next 10 years while you're giving your impressions. So I wanted to leave you with that. We have fun with it here. We have fun with all of our clients doing branding guides. Feel free to call us if you need help with that, or go to our website, do a free consultation for 30 minutes. I want to make sure you understand why it's important. Everyone just thinks they can get a $100 logo and off and running they are. That's not real world. That's not real business. So keep in mind when you're working with an agency, if you're going through a logo, going through your branding, make sure you ask them about the brand guidelines. If they don't know what it is, or if they don't have that, or if they don't know how to make that for you, go somewhere that understands it. Go somewhere that you're going to get the professional quality that you deserve. Okay? Whiteboard Wednesday, coming at you. Branding guidelines, why they're so important. Thank you for listening. Talk to you soon. See you next week.